How to unpair Bluetooth devices from iPad. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can unpair Bluetooth devices from your iPad. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, what you have to do is, in order to unpair our Bluetooth devices, for example, let's say that you're connected, we have to open up the Bluetooth settings. In order to do that, we can swipe down from the top right hand corner of the screen and you'll find this Bluetooth option. All you have to do is simply long press and hold on this Bluetooth icon and you'll be able to see a bunch of different options. Long press and hold on it again and you'll see all of the connected devices. I will simply select Bluetooth settings on this particular page. Once you open Bluetooth settings, you can see we'll be taken to the settings page and we can simply go to Bluetooth on this option. Once you go to Bluetooth, you can see the device which is currently connected, and if you want to unpair it, you could simply tap on it. And first of all, there are two things you can do. The one thing is that you can simply disconnect the device. I'll tap on the disconnect button and you can see the device has been disconnected. But if you want to completely forget the device, then you could also simply tap on this particular device list. You can see the My Devices section. All of the devices which you've ever added on your iPad will simply show up on this page. You could tap on this icon and then simply select the option which says forget this device. So as you can see, it says forget this device. Tap on it and tap on forget device, and similarly you can repeat the process for all other devices as well. You can turn off the toggle and then turn it back on again, tap on it, and you could tap on forget this device. And this is how you could very easily unpair Bluetooth devices from your iPad. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.